Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. So we've just been to breakfast and we're heading back to the villa, and we'll probably now enjoy some pool time, some relax time.
And we are being extra careful with the sun today,
Yes.
because yesterday we underestimated the sun
Yep.
and we are slightly overcooked. So we're taking it easier today.
See you later. Yeah, so as you can see, it's a massive deck area with obviously key feature is this huge infinity pool, sunbeds, table and chairs, and we have a nice sunbed here as well. Nice sunny day, Indian Ocean. Let's have some fun.